When I look upon the heavens and the beauty of your hands, every star declares your glory, every mountain firmly stands. You are God above all nations, King forever, Lord of all. At the mention of your power, every fear begins to fall. Who can measure all your greatness? Who can understand your ways? You alone deserve the honor. Oh, you alone deserve the praise. You perform wonders beyond measure, miracles no man can count. Oh, every day your love surrounds us, grace and mercy pouring out. You make rivers in the desert. Ooh, you bring light into the night. Oh, oh, Jehovah, God of wonders, forever you reign in might. When the storms of life arise, Lord, you speak peace into my soul. What is broken you can restore. What is wounded you make whole. Even when I cannot see you, still your hand is leading me. For your wonders are unending, oh, more than eyes could ever see. No one like you, faithful Father. None can match your mighty name. Generation after generation, still your power stays the same. Signs and wonders flow before you. Heaven trembles at your voice. All creation sings your glory.